Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here. I am at Cars and Coffee and it's an incredible day. It's been pretty busy so far. It's been a nice day. It started out a little suspicious and now the sun is out. So what I want to do is just kind of walk around. People have brought their cars out. Just show you what are my favorite cars, the most interesting cars here at Cars and Coffee today. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and we'll go from there. Now, let me tell you, you can't come to our Cars and Coffee and not take a look at our president's car. This is Porsche Kids 911 Turbo. And if you've ever heard this thing in a tunnel, you would die. We sometimes call it the truck because it's so loud and you hear the turbos in this thing. It's absolutely incredible. Next to him is a wide body, also same generation. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at the hips on that thing. Love these two cars. Let's show you some other ones that are around. This morning when I was sitting watching the cars come in, this new Emira, which it looks black. You can see it on camera now. It is actually blue with the stripe over the roof and on the side. I thought was pretty damn awesome. It's got this cool white leather interior and yeah, I think this car looks great. Another car that was here, and again, it seems like we have a lot of Porsches today. This thing, its exhaust, and I don't know which exhaust it has, is just absolutely beautiful and sounds great. And of course, you can't, you know me, I love all kinds of cars. Old school, this is a Viper ACR, right? Look at this thing, all manual. I think this is, I want to say this maybe is Gen 1. You guys know this better than I do. Comment. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments below. Let's keep going through. Ultraviolet, the badge, M3, sounding great. Let's see what else we got around here. Got some folks getting ready to leave. This is why I wanted to do this video pretty soon. So, can't go wrong with the old school bugs. I always like these. And they're coming back. People are starting to do a little bit more with them. You see them more and more at Cars and Coffee. So, pretty cool car. Of course, guys, these are the doors of a billionaire. And those of you who know the reference, know the reference. An old DeLorean. Car still looks pretty amazing, still futuristic. Well, it's timeless, as they say on the license plate here. What I'm pointing out to you are not all the exotic cars. I think this is an old Datsun. I think actually it's set up for a race because you can always tell. You got 4 headlights, and when one of them is missing, that's because it's probably an intake. And it's got a roll cage in there. So yeah, this is definitely set up for racing. An old Datsun, it's a 510. I didn't know what it was, but it was a Datsun, could tell. Here is a beautiful spec M2. This baby blue with a baseball interior, manual, and I just think this looks amazing. Just a great looking car. You know, controversially, when they first came out, you saw the pictures with the angles and stuff. It was like, eh. I think in person, there's no question that this is awesome. Great car. So one of the things I'm really considering now is an R8, such as a daily driver. Oh, listen to that sound, man. So V10 R8, sounding great. So I don't know. I love the wheels, by the way. So we'll see. Also here is a buddy of mine. Oh, Artistic Epoxy, you gotta go check him out. Beautifully wrapped Model S, awesome looking car. The thing that's amazing about our Cars and Coffee is the variety of cars that you will see here. See a Z06 next to it, Caterham, and you see an Elise just sitting next to each other. And you can't go wrong with, you know, my favorite is an E46 M3, but it's an LS swapped E46 M3. Of course, my buddies got their STO that's here as well. Beautiful combination of cars. This has been on a couple of rallies with us. This 765 LT, you're good. beautiful interior. Senna seats. You can't go wrong with that. And blue foam. Today I brought the SVJ out. I had to get that right. One of my favorite cars of all time is the Superleggera. That is over there. My buddy Track Weapon. Go check him out on Instagram. An amazing grocery getter. Here you have a Performante, an Urus Performante. And you can tell because it has a carbon fiber hood and it has that aggressive valance on the side. These things move. They just a boogie. This is a matte silver and it looks awesome. Of course, one of the cars that I wanted to show you is now leaving is the MC20. But probably one of the most underrated supercars that are out there, but clearly this thing is really great. I think unfortunately they're depreciating like mad. Could be in the garage some point, I guess, but I don't know. Let's figure it out. GT4 is another car that, oh my God, I think they're this blue with the green stripes on this thing. It's just, yeah, it's a looker. You can definitely, can't go wrong with a Ford GT. That's just a solid platform. Great car. I want to show you, we just had this white GT4 RS just pulling in here. That's also pretty cool. Cars that I want to show you. The first is this Porsche Speedster. Let me get around here and show this to you in this green with carbon ceramic brakes and yellow calipers. And it's just, to me, this is just amazing. So at some point, yes, I absolutely have to get a Porsche. You know, you've heard me talk about the GT2 RS. That's where my heart is, but we'll see what happens. Last but not least here today is this SVJ. And I hear constantly, oh, you need to get a Gintani exhaust. That's probably not for me. I'm certainly not going to do it on the Zaga. But check this out. Yeah. And this thing is absolutely loud. I love this car. So anyway, that's going to do it for Cars and Coffee today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on. See you guys in the next video. Happy car season, guys. Peace.